Today I'm going to show you how to create this perspective zipper text effect in Photoshop. First, open your text tool from the toolbar and type your text. Then convert it to a smart object. Now let's import the zipper image. Then adjust the size by dragging these handles and align it with the text like this. Just press enter on your keyboard when you're happy. Now select the text layer. Then press Ctrl T to open your free transform tool. Right-click in perspective. Now drag this bottom handle outwards. Right-click again and select warp. Drag these handles to bend the text and shape it like a zipper like this. And then press enter on the keyboard. Next, let's duplicate this text. And then open the lasso tool from the toolbar. And let's make a selection in the middle of the zipper like this. Click on the mask icon. Now select the text layer copy's thumbnail, and then click on the FX icon at the bottom and choose color overlay. Let's click on the color box, and then choose a color that you want for the middle of the zipper. And also drag this slider to 100%. Let's select the original text, and then go back to the FX icon and color overlay. Let's click on this color box again, and then choose a color for the outside text. Now select the bottom or the background layer, and then click on the adjustments layer icon and choose solid color. In this color picker, choose a dark color. And that's it. Thanks for watching.